Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Oppo model and that your carrier activated 5G on the SIM. This matters because hardware and plan both must support 5G. Once verified, update Color OS and restart the phone to load radios and carrier profiles. Next, enable mobile data and ensure battery is above 30% so the phone can scan and register reliably. Finally, open Settings and go straight to Mobile Network to take the next actionable step of selecting the correct network mode. Once in Mobile Network, choose the preferred network type to let the radio prioritize 5G. Pick 5G/4G/3G/2G auto for everyday use or 5G only for testing coverage. Make sure the correct SIM slot is set as primary for data when dual SIM is present. If you see no 5G, edit the APN to match your carrier settings and save. Incorrect APN can block data registration. If options are missing, go to Carrier Services and install any required profile. You finish by testing the connection. Run a speed test and look for the 5G icon to confirm registration. Higher peak speeds or lower latency explain why you want 5G. If it does not appear, toggle airplane mode for a quick rescan and then restart the phone to refresh the radio. If problems persist, reset network settings. Note this erases saved Wi-Fi passwords, so back them up. Troubleshooting tip. If 5G fails in one location, move outdoors or nearer a window to rule out signal obstruction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.